interface. So when we are conducting the construction of this scope, so there will be some interfaces and interfaces with production, with operation, with other ongoing project. So do you have any concern about interfaces?
First, Chairman, just brief him what exactly we are discussing with project scope exactly, just in a brief, so that he will have an idea. Otherwise,
yeah, sure.
Exactly.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so if you are able to see my screen, we are discussing about the package one. Probably Sudeep can answer you well, but I will try to hear. Actually, we are going to do this different kind of, automation jobs at IPS and MPS. And these are mainly related to the electrical and instrument and control activities. They are going to install some electrical cable, some instrument cable, and some sensor and some junction boxes. So when they are going to do the construction, there will be some other construction works are going on. So that means there will be some potential interfaces. So do you have any major interface concern so that we can identify here, we can list out here, and you do not have any problem during construction? I hope it is clear to you.
It is clear actually. Actually, we'll have a busy year this time. There will be some project work. There will be some open stream inspection work. So there might be some simultaneous operation at the time during this site activities execution. But maybe I can give more details if at all the detailed scope of work becomes clear with a method statement or something. I can share it with our site maintenance, electrical and instrument team. Too. But in general, like if it is E and I work, I presume mostly it will be in the control room, the equipment room, and maybe the substation. So definitely that will be controlled. It will not be like physical work at site, you know. So as such, I just didn't see any like major issues.
Yes, correct.
Unless at that specific time, I mean, it's coinciding with other, because we have some other major B and